Yeah, well, safety is definitely like the number one concern on a job site. And so, flight over people, once you get the FAA license and everything, you understand that flying over people is not allowed. FAA regulations are changing that are allowing you to get waivers more readily in order to fly over people. But just because you can get the waiver doesn't mean you should want to or have to. If you don't need to fly over people, then don't, right? Um, so that's kind of like one of the number one concerns on a job site is because it's active, right? You've got people building things, so they're kind of everywhere. So a way to mitigate that is really flying on off hours if where possible. So whether it's like super early in the morning or later in the day, once everybody's gone home, possibly over the weekend if they're doing a typical Monday through Friday schedule. Even during lunch as well, while they're taking a break and there's less people on the job site. Um, and for those cases where you do have to fly, where the construction site is active, you want to stay on the outside of the job site, where or like around the perimeter, so you won't have to actually fly over people.